Hello everyone and welcome to episode 4 of this short 5 video series about helium-10 product research. Now, in the last episode, I showed you the power of the tool called Review Insights and how you can use this to efficiently extract all of the reviews from your competition to see what mistakes they've made and what they've done correctly so that you know what needs improving on and what you want to emulate. Now, in this next episode, I'm going to take things a step further and demonstrate to you the tool called Cerebro, which allows us to extract all of the keywords from our competition, and it shows us exactly where they are getting their sales from. So now we're going to close Review Insights and we're going to copy the ASIN from the most popular colour, which is red. And seeing as we already have red selected, that will now show up here on the Helium-10 Chrome extension. So I will copy this now, and now I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go back to members.helium10.com, and this will bring me back to my Helium-10 dashboard. Okay, and now we're back in our Helium-10 dashboard. So now I'm going to navigate to Tools, and this time I'm going to scroll down to where it says Cerebro and then click on Cerebro. And now we will paste our ASIN from the most popular colour into here and then click on Get Keywords. Okay, now for word count I will enter 2, as this means there is 2 or more phrases for each keyword search. And there is arguments to just enter 1, but sometimes these can be too broad. So to get a good idea of the marketplace, it's good to just start with 2. Next, for search volume, I will put 600, as this means there is at least 600 people every single month searching for each of these keywords. And this again is a very good place to start, but if there's not enough keywords that come up, I will then reduce this to 300, but we will start here. Next, organic rank, I will put 1 to 16, as this means that this competition is ranking on page 1 for each of these keyword phrases. And there's a common saying in the Amazon industry: if you're not on page 1, then you're in the Amazon graveyard, and this is not where you want to be, as you will only be getting sales if you're on page 1. Okay, so now I'll scroll down and click on Apply Filters. Okay, and now this has yielded us our search results. As you can see, there is now 5 keywords that this listing is ranking for on page 1. So you know that this is where they are getting their sales from. And I'm sure you can understand the power of having this knowledge, which without the Helium-10 software and without doing Helium-10 product research, you never would have known this. And you would just be shooting in the dark, scrolling through Amazon, doing guesswork, trying to figure out what product to sell and feeling lost. And if you can resonate with that, then I'm sure you can see why it's important to know this stuff. So now if I go here and I scroll to the right, we can actually see organic rank. And then this shows you that they are on page 1 for all of these searches. But the top 2 are blue dried flowers and pink dried flowers, which even though these are different colours, if someone's searching for a different colour, they may still get sales on this colour, as this is the most popular colour. But again, I'm not necessarily saying you should sell this exact product. This is all about the mentality of how to analyse the data that you are looking at, because these same principles will apply to every single product search that you do. That's about it for episode 4. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. Now, in the final video, I'm going to round this series off and show you the tool called Magnet. And this takes things a step further, because Cerebro shows us where our competition are getting their sales from, and then Magnet allows us to take these results and find out additional keywords that the competition are actually missing. Here at Freedom Pass, we want to help you become a success for as small of an upfront cost as possible. So we have partnered with Helium-10, and if you click the link in the description, you can use the code FreedomPass10 for 10% off forever. Or if you use the code FreedomPass20, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months. Unlock the power of Helium-10 at a fraction of the cost. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. So I'll see you in the next one.